Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and today I'm back with a bonus video for all you people. So all of my subscribers who follow me on Instagram as well must be knowing that I had put up a poll on which I wanted you guys to select a day between Wednesdays or Fridays. So I have decided after looking at the poll that I would be posting on every Fridays a bonus video for all you people out there, all my lovely subscribers, so that I can keep you guys engaged during this quarantine period. Friday video is only going to be posted till the time we are into this quarantine period, and if unfortunately it extends because of the global pandemic that has been happening. And I hope all of you people are keeping yourselves safe. You're staying at home and being very cautious about everything that you do, and keep washing your hands, guys. Please just maintain your hygiene and please sanitize your hands in every hour. With that, I'm gonna start up my video now. So today's video is going to be all about how I remove my makeup as well as my skincare routine. So the skincare that I basically follow after removing my makeup, and how do I really remove all the makeup that I have on my face so that I can unclog all my pores and I can really let my skin breathe really nicely and be away from all of those pimples and the acne that happens to people if they do not remove their makeup properly. So guys, I'm going to be showing you all how I do my skincare. This is a very quarantine special video. All of you people, all the girls who have a combination or a dry skin type, can easily follow all the steps in my skincare routine. So without any further delays, I'm going to be starting up my video now. The first step that I'm going to be doing is putting up my hair at the back. So I'm going to use this hairband. You guys can use a hair tie. So guys, all the steps that I follow after I've shot a video or I've done makeup for the whole day, and how I remove it basically is, step in removing my makeup is this rice water bright by the Faceshop. So this is basically a cleansing lotion. So I use this cleansing lotion all over my face, because if you have foundation on, just rub your face really gently after applying this. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. I have washed my hands really well, and you can even sanitize your hands are completely clean. And I just take 2 pumps of this product on my hand and I just rub it between my hands, so that by the warmth of my hands it just warms up the whole product. So which is why I told you people that you guys can follow this makeup removing steps if you're a dry skin or a combination skin type, because I have really dry skin during the winters, but right now I have a combination skin. So my T-zone area has a lot of sebum production, but my cheeks are very dry. This is how I keep putting the cleansing lotion in circular motions all over my face with really gentle like pressure on my face. Don't be too harsh, because obviously you need to be very gentle on your skin. You can see all the foundation is just coming out. Use this Chicco wet wipe. It irritates my skin if I use any other products which has alcohol. I'm just gently removing all the lotion that I applied on my face using these wipes. Can you guys see? It has taken out all the makeup. All the makeup and everything that I had on my face. I'm just going to use one more clean wipe just to remove any residue that's still left on my face. As I've removed all the makeup out of my face, I'm going to be using these cotton pads which I got from Miniso, and this Garnier Micellar water. It has oil in it as well. So you can see the oil that has settled at the top. So we really need to emulsify the whole solution in. Just mix it well. Once you feel that the oil has really dissolved in the product, I'm just going to take really little of it on my cotton pads. Take a cotton pad, a clean one, and I'm just gonna put sufficient amount on it. And as you can see, I've already wet the cotton pad really well. I'm just gonna put it on my eyes like so and just gently move it in circular motions. What this is gonna do is that it's gonna remove all the waterproof makeup as well as your mascara really well, and just swipe it through like so. Can you guys see? It has taken off like 50% of my mascara out. Because of oil, you can easily remove your waterproof makeup. Doing the same on the other eye. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 times more of this product on my cotton pad, because the mascara, if it doesn't comes off, it tends to clump your eyelashes and then they will tend to break a lot. So guys, now that I'm done with my whole face and my eyes and my mascara is completely off my eyelashes, next step is gonna be using this Innisfree green tea cleansing water. So this is a cleansing water and I really like to use it. Basically, cleansing waters are usually for oily skin type people. So oily skin type people can really buy this product because it's just great. It's so gentle on my skin and really refreshes and moisturizes my face really well because of the green tea that's in it, and it has hyaluronic acid as well, which basically what an hyaluronic acid does, it takes away the moisture from the air and it absorbs it into your skin. You have to go over all your face one more time to make sure that you've removed each and every trace of makeup out of your face, because it's really important to do that. So I'm going to be taking 2 cotton pads and I'm gonna pour this into it. So this is how the product is, and you need to put the cotton pad on top and just squeeze it like so, and the product comes out. Now taking the 2 cotton pads and just removing any excess of product I have on this, I'm just gonna hold it like so and just put it all over my face really gently. See guys, I still had makeup on my face. This is what I was trying to tell you people, that don't think that if you've removed your makeup completely by using a cleansing lotion or any wet wipes, your makeup has gone completely, because you always need to go in with your face at least 2 or 3 times to make sure. So guys, now you can see it's my clean face. I have removed the makeup at least 3-4 times using the cleansing water and the cotton pad, so that I made sure that there was no residue left of makeup on the cotton pad. So guys, next up, when I feel I've completely removed the makeup, can you see how glowy the skin still looks? Is so supple and soft, because as I told you, the cleansing water has hyaluronic acid and it's really good. So guys, next up, buy this Cetaphil Gentle skin cleanser, because it is suitable for all skin types, as it says, and it's really true. And I have really sensitive skin, so he suggested me to use this face wash. But right now I have got this small try-on cleanser from Innisfree when I bought a few products, and I use this on my skin. And because of the green tea, it really made my skin really soft, and the green tea really suits my skin type also. So today I'm going to be using this Innisfree green tea foam cleanser. I'm going to buy a full product for this because I really like this. But on general basis, like, I use that Cetaphil face cleanser, which is why I showed you guys that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it on my hands, only this much. I've put some water on it, and now I'm just going to mix it and put it all over my face. I'm just going to use the circular motion again on my face, and once I clean it up, I'll be back. Now guys, as you guys can see, my face is completely clean, and I have cleansed my face really well. Next step, which is a very crucial step in your skincare routine, is that if you do not close down your pores by using a toner, it can actually attract a lot of gunk as well as bacteria on the pores, and you can start having a lot of pimples as well as white and black heads, which is comedons or milia. So the next step is a toner. A toner is a very essential step, guys. So what you need to basically do is invest in a good toner. It can be any any brand's toner, I basically really trust this Faceshop brand, and I use the Chia Seed Advanced Hydro Toner. So I'm going to use this toner. Just take one cotton pad and I'm just going to use a little bit of it on my cotton pad. You feel your cotton pad is completely wet and soaked in. So next, all you need to do is just swipe it through your face. This every guy should also follow, because after using a cleanser, when guys use cleansers and face wash, so they really need to close down their pores that have been opened after washing their face. And what a toner also does, it takes out all the little bit of gunk that's on your face. You guys can see it's very small, so I don't know if the camera is catching or not, but it really cleanses your face very well. I'm going to be using this Chia Seed Advanced. This is a moisturizer. It's a hydro creme. I had a full size bottle of it. This is the one that I bought, but right now, because of the quarantine and everything, I've actually finished, and I finished this whole um, I don't know how much ml does it have or not, but it was 50 ml and I finished this whole moisturizer in just 15 days. So I bought the small size of it. So I'm gonna be buying a full size again because it's expensive moisturizer. So I really wanted to be sure of buying it again or not. So I'm just gonna put on my face as well as cover your neck, little bit of it. This is a really nice moisturizer, guys. Just massage it in circular motions really well so that your skin absorbs all the moisturizer and becomes soft. After applying so much of makeup, it's very essential to do a very nice and a very fulfilling skincare routine. Especially girls who do makeup really should focus a lot on their skincare. Because for the makeup looking so flawless and beautiful, you really need to have a good skin for it. You really need to have a good base for your makeup to really pop out and glow and everything. So taking care of your skin is really important. Just pat down the moisturizer. This is a green tea mist by Innisfree, and I bought it in the smaller size just to give it a try, because I had been using the Kama Ayurveda rose mist and all of that before this, but I just spritz this on my face. So this basically refreshes your face, and it even moisturizes your face even further, because if dry skin people, after applying moisturizer also, they feel that the skin is a little bit dry, so you can always do this step. It is an additional step, obviously. Let it dry into your skin. Just let your skin absorb all the green tea mist that you've just put on your face. And this is a really important step for me, because I really feel so refreshed after spritzing this on my face. And I have already placed an order for a bigger bottle, which is for 990 ml. So this is one of my favorite mist of all time, and I just keep on spraying this throughout the whole day, because right now during summers your face really needs that extra moisturization. And this is a really good mist. You can apply it before makeup, you can apply it after makeup as a makeup fixer. You can apply it just to make your skin feel more moisturized, more freshened up and everything. So guys, the last thing I'm going to be using in this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and this is the smaller size, and I have still, like, I have a lot of product in it because I use really little of it. So I'm just gonna take this and just put it on my lips. This is a sleeping mask basically. So what this does, it after you've applied this on your lips, it's just going to take out all the dead skin cells out of your lips. So it really moisturizes my lips really well. So that was all for my skincare routine, guys, and how I remove my makeup. So if you guys like this video and my skincare routine, if you buy any of the products that I have recommended, please let me know how they are working out for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the skincare routine. Always make sure to take care of your skin, guys. It's really important, especially during this quarantine time when we guys are so lazy to even just get up out of our beds and take a bath. It's really important to cleanse your face really well and just tone your face, moisturize it, and just take care of your skin. So with that, guys, today's video comes to an end, and I hope you guys are enjoying all the content I have been putting up there for you people. Till then, guys, be positive and keep sharing love. Bye, guys.